Zerust EXCOR was the first supplier to introduce VCI corrosion protection films in 1991. 30 years later, EXCOR sets a new standard for corrosion protection: ICB, Intelligent Corrosion Blocker. A direct comparison between VCI and ICB illustrates the superiority of ICB and its active ingredient mechanism. In the case of VCI, a permanent and uncontrolled release of active substances into the environment and into the packaging space already takes place during packaging. A hygrometer visualizes the humidity conditions in the packaging room. Despite low humidity and thus low risk of corrosion, a high VCI active ingredient release takes place. The interplay between moisture and the risk of corrosion is not taken into account. Scientific studies show that the use of anti-corrosion agents become relevant when humidity increases above 55%. If humidity falls below this value, a permanent high release of active ingredient will not bring any benefit. The active ingredient depot is exhausted more quickly, and the capability of the VCI corrosion protection film is not fully utilized. ICB, on the other hand, acts controlled and therefore efficient. Even though EXCOR's VCI active ingredients can be used safely, with ICB hardly any active ingredients are released during the packaging process, which increases your employees' sense of well-being and safety. Only when humidity occurs and the risk of corrosion rises does the release of the active ingredients also increase, which effectively prevents any risk. ICB output is reduced if the risk of corrosion decreases as a result of decreasing humidity. Thanks to the continuous adaptability to corrosive environmental conditions, a larger depot of active ingredients is available for climatic and corrosive high-stress phases. Another special feature is that with ICB there is no loss of active ingredients during film extrusion, as is otherwise the case with the VCI films. This makes it possible to produce corrosive protection films without wasting resources. The new standard from EXCOR, ICB, Intelligent Corrosion Blocker, smarter than VCI, only works when it's supposed to. EXCOR. Be safe. Use yellow.